Hi, Allen Randolph, Senior Vice President of Customer Solutions at Kivak, and I'm inviting you to join me on Tuesday, April 21st at the Connex National Conference in Orlando for a demo lab called Where Did the Dirt Go? Using science to explain cleaning. We're going to have some fun. We're going to talk about what is cleaning, the definition, the removal of unwanted matter and its proper disposal. What is unwanted matter? What do we mean by proper disposal? We're going to talk about how you interact with buildings. You touch things, you walk in them, you breathe in them. So we're going to use science to look at that. We're going to use an ATP meter, it's kind of a germ meter, to evaluate touchpoint cleaning. We're going to use a slip meter to talk about floor safety. We're going to use a particulate counter to look at air quality and the impact cleaning has on air quality. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be informative. It's going to apply if you manage cleaning for your business. You're just interested. But everybody cleans at their house. You clean every day. You brush your teeth, you wash your hands, you take a shower, you do laundry, you do dishes, you wipe off counters, you wipe off your kitchen table. You're always cleaning. So what you learn will apply to all of that. I look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.